Hey, this is your Hollywood Maintenance. I'm here to look at a mixing valve, which is right here. I don't see another union. This is the union. I don't see one on this side. So, I'm gonna gut it out and see if it works. Because I'm not seeing one. So first we want to shut off the water. I have the water running in the kitchen. All I'm going to do is just follow this pipe to wherever I find the shut off. Which is way back here. I'm not sure if you can see from this camera angle. So now I'm going to follow the other side, which I believe it's going to be this one right here. Hard to get to. Alright. What I'm going to do is twist this cap off. Let's see Lucy. Well, I popped the top off. Not sure if you can see in there. Let me see if I could flash a light in there. Need to take that out. This is my new one, which I just took off the top. And this is what it looks like inside. See, that's what I'm trying to take out, and there's a spring in there. While I gutted it out, got those pieces out, all I did is put the spring on this piece. This is the old one. Put the new one. First I put the spring. Put this cap on. Just twisted it on right now, and now I'm about ready to turn on the water. I'm just checking for leaks right now. Turn on the cold side. Not seeing anything. Looks like we're good. Now I'm going to go test the water. Have the water on. Letting it run in the kitchen sink.
Yeah, it's hot.
Sweet. No leaks. Looks like if we're getting hot. I asked my helper, my other tech. He said it's getting hot right away. Complete. Thanks for watching.